Hey, hi, Devil this side again. Okay, today we are going to talk more on gender sensitivity. In a previous video, we have already talked about what is gender and what is sex, and how we can differentiate ourselves by being a gender sensitive person. Now today we are going to talk more in detail why this gender sensitization comes into a picture nowadays in a very full-fledged manner. It's just because a few of my clients have given me an argument like when we talk about gender equilibrium, then why there is certain reservation for female. Now here I just wanting to conclude this. In my previous video, I have already said you there is some limitation. There is some limitation in a physical way. There is some limitation in a mental way also. So females are always considered as a physically least strength gender. They always pass on through different depression cycle just because of the hormonal changes. Whereas male, they are quite stable in the sense of a hormonal cycles. Female, they do pass through hormonal cycles almost after each and every 7 years. That means they pass through almost 5 to 7 depression cycles just because of the hormonal changes. It may vary from person to person, of course, but that is not the case with male. Now during this hormonal cycles, the physical change, the structural change, the mental change, all things has happened with girls. Girls, they are emotional with their own sets. They are very sensitive towards each and every action. By supporting them emotionally, by supporting them structurally, physically, mentally, it may happen that that girl will at par with this all depression in a very easy way. Just because of that, we as a government, we as an Indian, we as a citizen, we provide enough care and support to that person, to that girl, to that female, to that woman during that crisis time. Now by not being so specific like प्रेग्नेंट वुमन के लिए ही ये जगह है या फिर जो मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल में है उन्हीं के लिए ये जगह है, they have made it in a very general way, like we are supporting girls like this. And let me tell you one more thing. If you support girls emotionally, they become strong physically, mentally and structurally. That's how their pattern is. And of course, the researchers, they understood this thing, and that's how the reservation comes into a picture like way. Why not male? That is again a question mark. It's just because male are considered as a physically enough strong gender than female. And that's how they can manage themselves during this any kind of a crisis time. They definitely don't feel ill all the time. They do not have a menstruation cycle to face in every month to month. They do not have 9-month pregnancy cycle in their system. So structurally, they are considered as a strong personality because they have nothing to lose. Okay. And that's how they are not considering themselves as if like it's okay. They are managing themselves in a very smooth way. I'm not saying boys cannot go into depression level. Boys, they really don't want any support. I'm not saying that. Boys do want that. But boys' support is always towards the solution support. If you are providing them solutions, they are all okay with that, and that supports works so well with them. Whereas female, they really don't want any solution. They have all capacity to manage themselves with a solution because their problem is there. They always consider problem is mine, so solution also should be mine. But what they want is, if any problem occurs physically, mentally, structurally, you always support them emotionally. It's okay, हो जाएगा, ठीक है, हो जाएगा. That also boosts them up like anything. So that's how they are very different than each other as a gender. And we, as a society, we are balancing them in a very equal way. So that's how the reservation comes into a picture, right? Now the second part is, we as a gender sensitized person, what we need to do is, we need to understand each and every individual as a person first. We need to go through their mental history, we need to go through their psychological aspects, physical structure, strength, and so on. And that's how we define the role. Now, why only technicians can be a male? It's just because technicians or as shop floor managers, they do have some physical strength work. ओके जहाँ पे फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा है वहाँ पे फीमेल को ऑब्वियसली अलॉट इसलिए नहीं किया जाता, बिकॉज वी नो कि उनकी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ एवरी मंथ कहीं ना कहीं एक ब्रेक आ जाता है उनकी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ को कंटिन्यू करने के लिए उनके पास. सो दैट्स हाउ वी जस्ट स्टॉप आवरसेल्फ देयर एंड वी हैव बीन गिवन दैट पर्टिकुलर रोल टू दैट person, to that gender. It's not about gender stereotype role. It's all about thinking logical and given the segregation of role according to their strength. Why female has been into the beautician thing, into the air hostess wala part, nursing? It's just because female are more sensitive, female are emotional, they can understand client's feeling, they can understand, they can nurture, they can give the care to that particular client patient in a very nicest way than the male. And that's how this role has been categorized as a female role. So let's not be enough blind by raising our hand why this role structure has become so stereotype and this and that. Rather think logically and understand what all are the reasons behind this, what all are the possibilities to generate all these things, and how we can manage the equilibrium during this structure also. That is it from my end for today's video. I'm going to talk more about this particular sensitivity issue in the next video. Till that, this is Deval Joshi. I am signing off.